got something crazy for you today.
Lay it on me, Sammy.
Mrs. Johnson's house was broken into, and her prized miniature vase was broken. Bea, how do we figure out who did it?
It's simple, Sammy. We're going to use fingerprints.
Fingerprints?
Well, look here. Take your finger and color it with this ink pad. Now, press it onto the paper. It's your fingerprint. See all the little circles? Every single person has different fingerprints. They're like snowflakes. No two are the same.
Oh, okay, I got it. But how is that going to help us out here?
You may not see them now, but there are fingerprints all over this vase, and we're going to find them. First, we sprinkle some cocoa powder onto the vase.
Okay, I see.
Next, we brush away the excess powder. Last, we take a clear piece of tape. Pick up the fingerprint off of the vase and tape it on a piece of paper. And there it is. Let's get this on a close-up in our file.
Okay, I see it, but how do we know whose fingerprint this is?
I've also got some other fingerprints on file. Let's compare it to some of those. Which suspect's print matches the one we found? This one is kind of roundish. That one is more circular.
Oh, I think it looks like number 2.
Yes, it is. Number 2. Jay Walker. He smashed the vase.
I'll go bring him in for questioning.
Hang on, Sammy. Wait a second. Look! It's Professor Thorne!
Not again! I'll catch you one day, Thorne.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.